Hello there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic close to our hearts, literally. We're talking about the foods you should steer clear of for a healthier, happier heart. We all know that what we eat plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. In this video, we'll be uncovering the foods you should avoid for a healthier heart. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest heart-healthy tips and advice. All right, let's jump right in. Bread, a kitchen staple, graces tables worldwide. But not all loaves are created equal. Often, they can be unsuspecting sources of hidden sodium, potentially wreaking havoc on your blood pressure. Take, for instance, a seemingly harmless bagel, which can contain up to 500 milligrams of sodium. That's about a third of the daily recommendation from the American Heart Association for most adults. The refined flours in bread can also lead to spikes in blood sugar levels. Excessive sodium and refined carbohydrates can significantly increase the risk of high blood pressure, a major contributor to heart disease. Moreover, they can be particularly detrimental to individuals already managing blood pressure issues. To make heart-healthy choices, look for bread varieties rich in visible grains and seeds, ensuring at least 3 grams of fiber per 100 calories. Opting for whole grain options can also be a wiser choice for heart health. Margarine. Often considered a healthier alternative to butter, margarine isn't always the golden ticket to heart health. While margarine may not contain trans fats anymore, it often contains palm oil, which is rich in saturated fats. These saturated fats can increase your cholesterol levels, which is not conducive to heart health. Opt for margarines made from olive oil or flax oil. Olive oil has only minor levels of saturated fat and no trans fats, making it a better option for your heart. Granola bars are often perceived as wholesome snacks, but there's more than meets the eye. Beyond the oats, nuts, and fruits highlighted on the packaging, many granola bars come loaded with added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and other counterproductive ingredients. These additional ingredients, like added sugars and artificial sweeteners, can potentially lead to weight gain and contribute to heart health issues. For a heart-healthier snack, consider opting for raw nuts. When incorporating oats, choose options like oatmeal, enhancing them with dried or fresh fruits for natural sweetness. French fries are tasty, but they might not be the best choice for your heart health. These deep-fried potatoes are loaded with fat and salt, which, you guessed it, isn't the best combo for your ticker. Studies have even found that frequent consumption of fries could increase the likelihood of early health issues. Yikes! If you're craving that crispy satisfaction, consider making your own oven-baked fries using heart-healthy olive oil. They're a much better option for your heart. Who doesn't love some good old fried chicken? It's a classic comfort food, but it might not be the best choice for your heart health. When you deep fry chicken, it adds extra calories, fat, and sodium to an otherwise healthy protein source. Studies have linked fried foods to conditions like type 2 diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure, risk factors for heart failure. Try breading skinless chicken breasts in whole wheat flour and bake them instead. It's a heart-healthy alternative that's just as delicious. Canned soup, you can say, is a convenient choice for most people, but we need to be mindful of what's lurking in those cans. Canned soups can often be loaded with sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure, heart attacks, strokes, and even heart failure. Cream-based soups, in particular, tend to be high in saturated fats, which aren't doing our hearts any favors. For a healthier option, consider making your own soup from scratch using a low-sodium broth. Your heart will thank you for it. And there you have it. The key foods to avoid if you want to keep your heart in top-notch shape. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your heart health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And of course, click on the notification bell. Do you have a specific topic in mind or a question about heart health? Drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, here's to a healthier heart and a happier you.